Cappadocia, a historical region in central Anatolia, Turkey, is renowned for its otherworldly landscape, rich history, and unique cultural experiences. Here's a glimpse into what makes Cappadocia so special. Fairy chimneys, Cappadocia. The region's iconic rock formations, shaped by wind and water erosion, create a surreal and enchanting landscape. Underground cities, Cappadocia. Discover a network of ancient underground cities carved into the soft volcanic rock. Valleys and canyons, Cappadocia. Explore the stunning valleys and canyons such as the Red Valley, Rose Valley, and Iglara Valley. Rock-cut churches. Cappadocia. Admire the intricate frescoes and mosaics in the numerous rock-cut churches. Ancient cities. Visit the ruins of ancient cities like Göreme and Ürgüp. Traditional villages. Experience the charm of traditional Turkish villages with their unique architecture and culture. Hot air balloon rides, Cappadocia. Soar above the fairy chimneys and witness the breathtaking sunrise. Turkish baths and spas. Relax and rejuvenate in a traditional Turkish bath. Local cuisine. Savor delicious Turkish cuisine, including kebabs, mezes, and baklava. Cappadocia, often called the Balloon City, is a truly magical place. As the sun rises over the unique fairy chimney formations, hundreds of colorful hot air balloons take to the sky, creating a breathtaking spectacle. A hot air balloon ride over Cappadocia is an unforgettable experience. As you drift silently through the air, you'll be amazed by the otherworldly landscapes below. You'll see ancient rock formations, hidden valleys, and historic villages from a bird's eye view. Cappadocia offers a diverse range of accommodations to suit all budgets and preferences. Here are some popular options. Museum Hotel Cappadocia. This iconic hotel is carved into the rocks and offers stunning views of the valley. Argos in Cappadocia. This luxurious hotel features unique cave rooms and a world-class restaurant. Cappadocia Cave Suites. This hotel offers a blend of traditional and modern amenities in a stunning cave setting. Cave House Cappadocia. This hotel offers affordable cave rooms with basic amenities. Sultan Cave Suites. This budget-friendly hotel is located in the heart of Göreme. Anatolian Houses Cave Hotel and Spa. This hotel offers a mix of cave and stone rooms at affordable prices. Divan Cave House. This boutique hotel offers stylish rooms with modern amenities. Henna Hotel. This adults-only hotel is known for its romantic atmosphere and luxurious rooms. Kayatas Cave Suites. This hotel offers stunning views of the valley and comfortable rooms. When choosing a hotel, consider your budget, preferred amenities, and desired location. Booking in advance is recommended, especially during peak season. Cappadocia and beaches. A unique combination. While Cappadocia itself is a landlocked region famous for its unique rock formations and historical sites, it's not known for its beaches. However, Turkey boasts a stunning coastline with numerous beautiful beaches. Living in Cappadocia can be a truly unique and magical experience. The region's stunning landscapes, rich history, and tranquil atmosphere make it an ideal place for those seeking a peaceful and picturesque lifestyle. Ultimately, the decision to live in Cappadocia depends on your individual preferences and lifestyle. If you're seeking a peaceful and picturesque lifestyle with a strong appreciation for history and nature, Cappadocia could be the perfect place for you. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct train connection to Cappadocia. The nearest train station is in Kayseri, which is about 70 kilometers away. Take a train to Kayseri. You can take a high-speed train from Istanbul to Ankara and then transfer to a regional train to Kayseri. Transfer to Cappadocia. Once you reach Kayseri, you can take a bus, taxi, or rent a car to reach your destination in Cappadocia. While taking a train to Cappadocia is possible, it's generally not the most convenient option. Flying or taking a bus are usually more efficient and comfortable ways to reach this beautiful region. There are two main airports serving Cappadocia, Nevşehir Cappadocia Airport and this is the closest airport to the main tourist towns of Cappadocia, such as Göreme and Ürgüp. It's located about 30-40 kilometers away. Kayseri Erkelet Airport, ASR. This airport is located about 70 kilometers from the main tourist areas of Cappadocia. While it's a bit farther, it often has more flight options and can be a cheaper alternative. Both airports offer easy access to Cappadocia through various transportation options like taxis, buses, and private transfers. The cheapest way to get from Istanbul to Cappadocia is by bus. This is a budget-friendly option that offers comfortable seating, air conditioning, and sometimes even Wi-Fi. The journey takes around 10-12 hours, but it's a great way to see the Turkish countryside. A Turkish night in Cappadocia is a fantastic way to experience the rich culture and traditions of Turkey. These events typically take place in a cave restaurant or a traditional setting and offer a memorable evening of entertainment. Traditional Turkish dinner. Enjoy a delicious meal featuring local delicacies. Live music. Listen to traditional Turkish music performed by talented musicians. Folk dances. Witness captivating performances by dancers in colorful costumes, showcasing the diverse folk dances of Turkey. Belly dancing. Be mesmerized by the graceful and sensual movements of belly dancers. Audience participation. Join in the fun and learn some traditional Turkish dances. By attending a Turkish night in Cappadocia, you'll gain a deeper understanding of Turkish culture and create unforgettable memories. There are hot air balloons in Cappadocia that can accommodate up to 20 passengers. These larger balloons offer a unique experience, allowing you to share the magic of the sunrise with a larger group of friends or family. However, it's important to note that the ideal number of passengers for a comfortable and enjoyable flight is around 16. This allows for better visibility and a more intimate experience. When booking your hot air balloon ride, be sure to check the capacity of the balloon and choose one that suits your preferences. Remember to book your hot air balloon ride in advance, especially during peak season, to ensure availability. Cappadocia in winter, especially when it's covered in snow, is a truly magical sight. The fairy chimneys and valleys look even more enchanting with a blanket of snow. The cost of living in Cappadocia can vary depending on your lifestyle and accommodation choices. However, it is generally considered to be affordable compared to many other tourist destinations in Europe. Budget. You can find budget-friendly guest houses and hostels for around 20-30 Turkish lira per night. Mid-range. Comfortable hotels and cave houses range from 50 to 100 per night. Luxury. High-end hotels and boutique cave houses can cost upwards of 200 per night. Street food. Local street food like pide, Turkish pizza, and döner kebab can be quite affordable, costing around 10-20. Restaurants. A meal at a mid-range restaurant can cost around 50 to 100 per person. Overall, a budget traveler can comfortably explore Cappadocia for around 50-100 per day, while a mid-range traveler might spend around 150 to 50 per day. Please note that prices may fluctuate, and it's always a good idea to check the latest rates before your trip.